Hello everyone, so we're going to make an estimation form. We have the form here, as you can see here. There are many select fields and a submit button, and in order to make the estimation form we need the logic. In this case we have the logic in this Excel file. So we have the inputs, then many variables here, and finally the result. This is the result, and it's according to the variables. Okay, as you can see, the inputs is a select field too. You have the options here and other options, and that's it. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to start. First you have to enable math calculation, then we're going to add new variables. Okay, in this case we're gonna copy this. Okay, copy another. To copy all the variables. Yeah, have to copy week, liters consumed, cost per bottle, bottles per kombucha, and the inputs, and how many bottles. Okay, that's it. Then we have here the inputs. Okay, so we're going to start with how many bottles. So we're going to make the code. In this case, this is how many bottles. And the field name is input bottles. Also you can put other field names. Input how many bottles. You can put that, and then okay, we are here, how many bottles of kombucha. We're going to make the code. We're going to define the variable. This is a temporal variable, and we're going to choose this input how many bottles and fill value. Let me check. In this case, oh wait, yes. So in this case we're going to get the value. Look at this. Or we can get the price, but in this case we have price 0. We can use it, but in this case we're going to use just only the value. So how many bottles, fill value, and that's it. And finally you have to return the variable, and that's it. And now you have the value of your input. And save changes. Then we're going to see the variables. Look at this, all the variables. Then you put this on your mail notification or in the front end. Now this is for the front end. For the back end, you have to use this. Yes, you can see here. This is for back end, and this is for front end. Variables for front end. And in this case, you can use this to get the value of that input. So let's continue. So the next is, let me see, on average, how much does each barrel of kombucha cost? Okay, on average, yes, this is. So we're going to edit. So this is the field name. You can change it in order to be more recognizable. Input how much. Okay, we're going to check the values. Yes, in this case, you can see the price is filled. The column price is filled. So we're going to use it. But why he put that? Okay, I think we're going to use the value. So here it is. So we're going to use that value. Okay, in this case, we define the variable. We get the how much, the field value, and done. Then we have to return, and that's it. That's it. And yes, now bottles of kombucha per week. Yes, you have here, and it's how many bottles. How many bottles? Okay, so we're just going to use this. How many bottles? Look at this. You don't need to do the calculation again. You just get the variable directly, and this. That's it. Then cost per variable, the same, is how much. Yes, we have to return how much. That's it. Littles consumed per week. Yeah, little consumer per week, it's bottles of kombucha per week. And wait, yes, bottles of kombucha per week per 0.475. so bottles of kombucha per week, we're gonna copy this. Total. So I'll find this, and bottles of kombucha per week. Yes, this is, look at that, and we're going to return the total, and that's it. Total spending per week. Oh, wait. Total spending per week is, it's bottle kombucha per week and cost per bottle, just a multiplication. barrels of kombucha per week and cost per barrel. So we're going to create a temp bar. Okay, this is JavaScript, so you can do at your own. And barrels kombucha per week, we're gonna copy the variable, then cost per barrel. Yes, then you return the variable, and yes, it's fine. Then we're going to define the little consumer per year. Look at this, little consumed per year. It's little consumer per week, for multiply it by 52. So in this case, so we're going to define a variable. So we're gonna put this return total. This G18 is little consumer per week. So we're gonna use this little consumer per week. Yes. That's it. Yes. Now total spending per year. So total spending per year is total spending per week and multiply it by 52. The same, we're going to define the variable, any variable. In this case I put total, and I'm gonna put this return total. G21 is total spending per week, and in this case total spending per week. We're gonna copy this. Yes. The next is kombucha kit initial cost. Kombucha kit initial cost. This is a constant, so this is easy. So you just you don't need to define any variable. You just put the constant, and that's all. Yeah, the next apps, this have three variables, and okay, let's start. We're gonna copy this because it's the same. So we're gonna define the variable. Yeah, we're gonna copy the calculation, then we're going to return the variable. Okay, let's start it. G22 is a little consumed per year. So little consumed per year. Yes, we're gonna copy this and put here. Then J25 is kombucha home. Yes, we're gonna check here. Hey, I didn't put kombucha home. Kombucha home. Oh wait. Kombucha initial cost. This is kombucha home. Oh, I'm making a mistake. Yes, this calculation is for total cost year 1. So I'm gonna copy this and cut and paste. So we're going to do it later. So first I'm going to do this. Kombucha home, kombucha home it's a constant, so it's easy. We return the constant and that's all. So now this is the right calculation variable, total cost year 1. Okay, so in this case J25 is kombucha home, and yes, kombucha home here. Yes, then the last calculation variable is kombucha kit initial cost. Kombucha kit initial cost. Yeah, and that's all. We have here all the calculation. Okay, the next total cost per year ongoing. Okay, we're gonna see this. In this case, it's just a multiplication, so we're going to put this G22. So G22 it's liters consumed per year. Liters consumed per year. Okay, and J25 is kombucha home. Kombucha home. Okay, and that's it. Then the next calculation is savings year. It's another operation, G23 minus G26, so same total and return total. And G23 it's total spending per year. Total spending per year. Copy the calculation variable. Wait, what happens here? Okay, and G26 it's total cost year 1. Total cost year 1. That's all. And finally the last variable is another operation. We're going to do the same. Put this return total. So we're going to replace G23 it's total spending per year. Total spending per year. Okay, and total spending per year and total cost per year ongoing. The next. Yes, and that's it. Now we have all the calculation, and so we need to verify this. So for that reason we're going to put this 2 columns, and I'm going to bring all of these select fields in one side of the column. Okay, now here I'm going to put a custom HTML field. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna hide this. So yeah, okay, first table. Well, it brings with a table. Okay, let's try. Okay, in this case, but wait, if I put this, it will not be responsive. So I'm just gonna put in this way, and I'm gonna add a variable. Okay, first I'm gonna put all the texts. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this again. Kombucha per week, cost per bottle, daily consumer per week, total spending per week, little consumer per year, total spending per year, kombucha kit initial cost. So let's check. Kombucha home brew ongoing. Total cost year 1. And wait, so oh my god. This case I'm just gonna okay, I think I'm gonna ml average. So I think I'm going to work in the visual mode. So kombucha cost, yes, per week, kombucha per bottle, little consumers per week, total spending per week, total spending per year, kombucha kit initial cost, kombucha home per little, total cost year 1, yes, but the problem is okay, I can use that. Wait, total cost per year ongoing, saving years 1, saving years 1, and save per year ongoing. So I'm gonna copy the break tags, and that's it. Now I need to put the variables. So in this case, how many barrels of kombucha? Look at this. Yeah, this is we have to get the variables for front end. In this case, we are on front end, and we're going to get the shortcut. How many bottles of kombucha? So we're gonna copy and paste. Then on average, how much does each bottle of kombucha cost? Same. On average, copy. Yes. Then bottles of kombucha per week. Bottles of kombucha per week. Done. Cost per bottle. Cost per bottle. Copy and paste. Liters consumed per week. Yes. Copy. Total spending per week. Total spending per week. Liters consumed per year. Yes, here it is. Total spending per year. Total spending per year. Kombucha kit initial cost. Kombucha kit initial cost. Here it is. Copy the shortcut and yes, kombucha home brew ongoing. Kombucha home. Yes, here it is. Copy. Yes. Total cost year 1. Total cost year 1. Total cost per year ongoing. Total cost per year ongoing. Saving year 1. Okay. Saving year 1. Here it is. And saving per year ongoing. So, yes, here it is. And done. We have all. So we're gonna put this in order to make difference. So we're going to put in bold, so you know. Okay, yes, we have all now. We're going to save changes and check. We're going to check. We're going to check in the preview and look at this. Wait, why? Okay, don't worry. Okay, let's compare. Okay, we're gonna hide this because it's not necessary. Show press level. We're going to hide that red label, so it's not necessary. And here it is, but I will leave that. Okay, let's preview. Okay, let's compare. For example, how many bottles? We're going to put 2. How many bottles of kombucha? I'm going to put 2. And on average, how much does each bottle of kombucha cost? I'm going to put 4.5. 4.5. Okay, here it is. You can see all the calculations on we're going to compare. Done. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, wait. Look at this. Saving year 1, the result is 338.91, and look at this, it's the same. So now it's fine. And the second is saving per year ongoing, it's 393.90. Done. So the calculation is fine, everything is working as desired. So I'm going to change, for example, I'm going to change this. I'm going to put 5. I'm going to put 3. So I'm gonna do the same on the form. So how many bottles of kombucha? I'm gonna put 5. 5. And on average, how much does each bottle of kombucha cost? 3. So I'm gonna put 3. And saving year 1 is 539.76. Yeah, done it. Well, no matter this, just matter the result. In this case, 539.76. So, and the other is 594.75, and the same. Done it. So the calculation is fine. So all is going fine. Now we need all this information in the email notification. So we have to put all of this. So we're gonna do the next. First of all, you have to go to under email settings. Then here you are. By default, you have this summary, but in this case, it will just show the select. So you need to, in this case, you need to customize. So you will remove this and put your own variables using this. And in this case, I have the HTML here. So I'm just going to copy I'm just going to copy, and I'm gonna put this on your wait. You're receiving. Yikes. Okay, I'm gonna put here, and look at this. Yes, we have here. But remember, the variables that we use on front end is different, so we need to replace with variables for backend. So let's start. How many barrels of kombucha do you think? Wait, it's variables. Front end is this, and for backend is this. As you can see, all is same except for this part. UFM bar. You have here another different, and so we're going to just copy this UFM bar. So I'm just gonna modify that. UFM bar. UFM bar. UFM bar. Yes. UFM bar. UFM bar. UFM bar. Okay, that's it. And we're going to check. We're going to save changes, and we're going to test. Okay, okay, 5.3. We're gonna do 5.3 and submit. Yes, here it is, done. Look at this. This is the mail notification, so you can see here the calculation is fine, all is working fine. So we have done it. So I think that's all. You can customize this HTML at your own. The same with this, with mail notification. So I hope it will be clear. So just let me know if you have any question.